Welcome to this video on processing in Digital WarRoom. We can also refer to processing as adding or uploading documents or collections. Today we are going to cover creating a hierarchy of collections, how to process using the drag and drop interface, viewing jobs, viewing exceptions, and posting documents to the review view. Here we are in the Digital WarRoom interface. Down in the bottom left, there are a set of views which represent different stages of the e-discovery workflow. To add collections and data into Digital WarRoom, you will want to be in the processing view. I'll start out in a matter which is already populated with data to showcase the benefits of creating a hierarchy of collections. The trick to processing is creating an organizational structure which makes it easy for you to come back months down the line and remember the what and why of each collection. In order to upload data, you must first right-click and create a new collection. We also call this a landing spot. A collection can contain multiple imports. Imagine you had a collection of data from the Seattle office, and you separate your imports by cloud data, email PSTs, and desktop data. Rename your collections or imports by clicking and holding the node briefly. The processing interface is drag and drop. Let's process an email PST. I simply grab the folder from my desktop and drag it over to the appropriate collection or landing spot. This will open up a window and you can add multiple folders to this import. You can also select your collection and drag your folder into the area shown on the interface. A third way to add data is by right-clicking a collection and selecting Add Documents. Click Import to begin this processing job. While your job runs, there will be a green Jobs button available in the top right. This window will show the percentage completed status of all current jobs. When processing has completed, you should take a moment to view exceptions. An exception refers to an error message which explains why Digital WarRoom was unable to open the file and extract the expected metadata or text. If you have a significant amount of exceptions, this does not mean that the tool is broken. Exceptions are typical in any processing job, as password-protected files, encrypted files, and corrupted files tend to accumulate in any set of documents. If you notice one of these issues, you may have to talk to the custodian in order to retrieve a password, unencrypt the file, or determine the source of the corruption. The final step is to post your processed documents to the review view using the policy wizard. We sometimes refer to the policy wizard as the 26F wizard. It is a tool which can be used to apply policies to defensively reduce data. These terms, which define potentially relevant in the context of the case, are typically agreed upon during the 26F conference of the parties. To be clear, in order to see your data in the document review section of the tool, you must at minimum click through the policy wizard. In this case, I'll accept the defaults and will cover the policy wizard in greater depth in a future video. Our documents are now posted. I'll open one up, and we are ready to get started with our document review. Thanks for joining us, and as always, you can reach out to our support desk, support@digitalwarroom.com, for more assistance with processing or any other topic.